Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Ready? Start. The petitioner retired from service on 31/7/2008. Full stop. The present petition was filed in this court on 5/1/2015, claiming the benefits which allegedly occurred to the petitioner in the year 2006, full stop, the same having been filed more than 6 years after his retirement deserves to be dismissed on account of delay and laches only, full stop. Apparently the petitioner was satisfied at the relevant time and got a legal notice dated 19/9/2013 issued about 5 years after his retirement, full stop, merely because on a legal notice no served a fresh letter oblique order has been passed by the authorities. The stale claim will not get revived, full stop. Reference for the purpose can be made to a judgment of Honorable the Supreme Court in State of Uttaranchal and another versus Shri Shivcharan Singh Bhandari and others, wherein Honorable the Supreme Court, while considering the issue regarding delay and laches and referring to earlier judgments on the issue, opined that repeated representations made will not keep the issues alive, full stop. A stale or a dead issue oblique dispute cannot be got revived even if such a representation has either been decided by the authority or got decided by getting a direction from the court, as the issue regarding delay and laches is to be decided with reference to original cause of action and not with reference to any such order passed, full stop. Delay and laches on the part of a government servant may deprive him of the benefit which had been given to others, full stop. Article 14 of the Constitution of India, in a situation of that nature, will not be attracted, as it is well known that law leans in favor of those who are alert and vigilant, full stop. Even equality has to be claimed at the right juncture and not on expiry of reasonable time, full stop. Even if there is no period prescribed for filing the writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, yet it should be filed within a reasonable time, full stop, such as an order promoting a junior should normally be challenged within a period of 6 months or at the most in a year of such promotion, full stop. Though it is not a strict rule, the courts can always interfere even subsequent thereto, but relief to a person who allows things to happen and then approach the court and puts forward a stale claim and try to unsettle settled matters can certainly be refused on account of delay and latches, full stop and over। सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की एग्जैक्ट डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर स्टेनो रिलेटेड डिक्टेशंस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।